Hey folks, I'm here to save you from wasting your hard-earned cash on subpar electric pruning shears. I personally bought and tested these top picks so you don't have to. Let's dive into the raw truth of how these garden tools perform so you can make a buy you won't regret. Product number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Pruning Shears. I got my hands on the DeWalt 20V Max Pruning Shears, and let me tell you, this tool is a game changer for any gardening enthusiast. Straight out of the box, the first thing that caught my attention was its streamlined design and the iconic DeWalt yellow. It felt surprisingly lightweight at just 1 pound, making it easy to handle even for extended periods. The ergonomics are spot on, with a comfortable grip that didn't strain my hand, which is a big deal when you're tackling a big garden. The experience of using these shears is like slicing through butter. The high-speed steel blades are non-stick, so they glide through branches without any snagging, making each cut smooth and effortless. I was pruning my overgrown hedges and was pleasantly surprised by how quickly I got the job done. Another nifty feature is the LED work light, which came in handy when I found myself working into the early evening. It's these small touches that show DeWalt understands the needs of its users. However, it's important to note that this tool doesn't come with a battery, which means you'll need to have a compatible DeWalt 20V battery on hand. While this might be a downside for some, it's a non-issue if you're already into the DeWalt ecosystem, as it allows you to save on unnecessary extras. Why should you consider buying it? Well, if you're after a tool that delivers smooth and efficient cuts without the hassle of cords, this might just be your new best friend. It's perfect for those who want reliable performance and the flexibility of using an existing battery system. Product number 2. YAV Brushless Electric Pruning Shears. The YAV Brushless Electric Pruning Shears caught my eye with their promise of power and precision at an affordable price point. As soon as I unpacked them, I noticed the robust yet manageable build. Weighing in at 1.6 pounds, they have a solid feel without being cumbersome. The bright yellow casing is not just for aesthetics, it makes them easy to spot in the chaos of garden tools. I set out to test these shears on a variety of branches in my garden, from the thin, tricky shoots to the thicker, tougher branches. The SK5 high-carbon steel blades were impressive, cutting through with remarkable ease. What really stood out to me was the 0.5-second trimming speed. You pull the trigger and it's like magic. The branch is cleanly sliced. The brushless motor is a quiet powerhouse, delivering more energy efficiency and less wear compared to traditional motors. One of my favorite aspects is the LCD display, which provides real-time updates on the battery level and cut count. Although it doesn't come with a battery, its compatibility with DeWalt 20V Max batteries made it a cinch for me since I already have a few lying around. Safety is a priority too, with a built-in switch that requires a quick double trigger pull to activate the shears, ensuring they don't accidentally turn on. Why should you consider these? If you're already invested in the DeWalt battery system, the YAV shears are a no-brainer. Product number 3. Electric Pruning Shears for Milwaukee M18. When I first laid eyes on the electric pruning shears compatible with the Milwaukee M18 battery, I was intrigued by its promise of adaptability. Though it comes without a battery, the tool's compatibility with an established battery system like Milwaukee's means that it fits seamlessly into a pre-existing toolkit. My first impression was of a tool built to last, with a robust structure that doesn't weigh you down, clocking in at around 1.6 pounds. Using these shears in the garden was a breeze. The SK5 blades, known for their strength and durability, made short work of my overgrown shrubs. The adjustable cutting diameter, ranging from 0.8 to 1.2 inches, offers versatility, allowing you to tackle both delicate and more stubborn branches without switching tools. This flexibility is a godsend when you're in the middle of a big pruning project. A standout feature for me was the LCD display. It keeps you informed about the battery life and cut count, which is a thoughtful addition, ensuring you aren't left mid-task with a dead tool. The brushless motor is another win, offering improved efficiency and longevity compared to conventional motors. It's quieter too, which my neighbors surely appreciated during my early morning garden sessions. These shears shine in their simplicity and efficiency. They are a fantastic option for those who already own Milwaukee batteries and are looking to expand their gardening arsenal without breaking the bank. Product number 4, the Modifo Upgraded Electric Pruning Shears. The Modifo Upgraded Electric Pruning Shears are a powerhouse of innovation and practicality. Straight out of the box, they offer an impressive package that includes not just the shears, but also 2.0 AH rechargeable batteries, a replacement blade, and various other handy tools. The black design with blue accents gives it a sleek, modern look that stands out in the best way. These shears have a cutting diameter of up to 1.4 inches, which means they can handle larger branches effortlessly. The SK5 blade material is known for its durability and sharpness, and during my test runs, it lived up to its reputation. I tackled everything from thin twigs to thicker branches, and the Modifo shears sliced through with ease, thanks in part to the powerful 450-watt brushless motor. One of the highlights for me was the smart LCD display, which shows both the battery level and cut count. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in managing your workload and ensuring you don't run out of juice mid-task. The shears also boast a smart trigger and sleep mode, which conserves battery life when the tool is not in active use. Why consider these shears? If you're looking for a reliable, powerful tool that offers great value with its inclusive package, the Modifo shears are a solid choice. Product number 5. Upgraded Electric Pruning Shears, 2.75 inch. Last but certainly not least, the upgraded electric pruning shears with a whopping 2.75 inch cutting diameter caught my attention for their sheer power and capability. These shears are a beast, designed for heavy-duty pruning tasks. Right off the bat, the build quality impressed me. It's robust and feels like it can withstand the rigors of extensive use. The highlight here is the large cutting diameter, which is a game changer if you have thicker branches to deal with. During my testing, these shears made light work of even the gnarliest branches in my backyard. The SK7 blades are incredibly sharp and durable, ensuring they stay in top condition even after repeated use. Another standout feature is the LED display, which provides clear information on battery status and operation mode. It runs on a brushless motor, which enhances its efficiency and lifespan while reducing noise, a huge plus when working in a residential area. The inclusion of 2 batteries means you can keep going longer without having to pause to recharge, a crucial feature for anyone with a larger garden or extensive pruning needs. These shears are perfect for anyone serious about their gardening tools. They offer unmatched cutting power and efficiency, making them ideal for both professional landscapers and home gardeners with ambitious projects. After putting these electric pruning shears to the test, I've found each has its unique strengths. Whether you're looking for power, precision, or versatility, there's something here for every gardener. Happy pruning, and may your garden be ever flourishing.